Hey there, travelers.
Hey there.
I'm Tanya.
And I'm Dave.
And we are Turn It Up World. Welcome back to
Las Vegas!
Staying at the Vdara here in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, which is the sister company to the Aria. Now it's a comfy boutique chic style hotel, and we're also booked in the cheapest room here in the Vdara, and we're really excited to show you around.
Yes, now we're excited. It's a good sized room too, but only $60 a night, and that's over the weekend as well. So a great rate. Now it does not include taxes or the resort fee. There's no casino downstairs, so it is super quiet.
Yeah, and we're looking forward to show you that. Now, we are going to be heading to the pool, but we're not going to be heading to the pool here. Due to the COVID restrictions and things going on currently, at the time of this video, the pool, the spa, and the gyms are currently closed here.
Right, but we can go next door to Aria, which has a wonderful pool that we can use as guests here at the Vdara, and also the spa.
So I think, on that note, you ready to get this party started?
I'm ready.
Let's rock! Hello everybody, how are you? Wait a second, you know what? It's a little too dark this way. I'm gonna change gears a little bit. Let's switch sides. You ready? Let's do it. That's much better. Let there be light in my face. Starting off with this. This is awesome. This is the kitchenette that they promised you. It's nice because it's got a lot of cabinet space. It's got a microwave. And you know, sometimes eating on the strip, you guys, can be crazy expensive. Trust us. We know. We do a lot of eating out there. So, nice to have.
Yeah, and this is really unique for the strip too, having your own kind of kitchen and all that. Yes.
Yeah. You've got a little mini fridge here, so you can put your drinks, your booze, your goodies, all that great stuff. Now this space, for being the cheapest room here, it's pretty spacious. I like the fact too that it's got one desk here, which has a little bit of pamphlet and information about the room and your stay. But look, you guys, you get the cool pack, and it looks like it has
goodie bag.
The goodie bag. Oh, looks like it has a personalized Vdara mask. Love it, and of course, sanitizer.
Gotta have that.
A little package to store, man. Love that.
Take this long. Take a look at this.
Look at that. Big space. Big space. Big
Yeah.
space. Big
Whoa,
space.
going
Big
around.
space. Okay, I'm kind of dizzy, so I think you know that looks really comfortable right about now. The only way to really truly find out if this is super comfortable is the bed test. Dave, you ready for the bed test?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Yep, you see, very big living room space. Come on into the bathroom. Really nice bathroom, you guys. Now, I will say it does not have a double vanity. Has a single vanity. That's okay. We know how to work well together. We will make it work. But I love that they have another deep sort of soaker tub. I do have some extra bath salts I like to bring in there to soak these weary bones after a good night in Las Vegas. But we saved the best for last, you guys. Take a look at them views. Hello.
Yeah, look at that.
Gorgeous.
The Market Cafe is open.
It's open.
Gonna pick up a little bit for breakfast.
Lucky.
Ooh.
Welcome to the Market Cafe, you guys. We figured before heading off to the pool, we wanted to come down and try a little bit of breakfast and some coffee. But before we get into that, I wanted to mention about the room tour when we did the kitchenettes, all the silverware and things like that. If you need that, currently what you have to do is call downstairs to request that, and they will bring up those pots and pans and all the good stuff you need for cooking.
Yeah, that makes a lot more sense.
Right? A lot more sense. Boy, let me tell you, this mixed berry Ah, look at that. Danish.
Pretty nice, yeah.
Ooh, that looks really good.
I just want something simple, a little
Something simple. Look at the
croissant
size of
de
that.
chocolate. Chocolate croissant.
Oh, yum, yum.
That's right. This is an unusual item. It's called a chocolate croissant, folks. But it looks really nice and flaky. Hopefully some good chocolate goodness inside. I'm jumping right in.
That looks disgusting.
Normally I'd lick my fingers, but hey, this is a strange world.
Yeah, very strange. Ew.
All right, check out that unique artwork there. That is really cool. Just a ton of canoes all kind of stacked together. I love it.
Welcome to the Sky Pool.
Yeah, it's beautiful here at the Aria Pool. This is one of our favorite pools on the Las Vegas Strip. Really nice.
Yeah, and normally this area, the Sky Pool area, is closed off to, I guess, a certain section.
Right.
You know, I guess more higher floor folks, I'm assuming.
Right, it might be the Sky Lounge
The Sky
or something.
Lounge and things like that. But it's really cool because they're really opening up to everyone right now, and it is quiet in here. Obviously, it's the cooler season here in Vegas, but the pools are heated, and so masks must stay on until you either are drinking or eating, and even when you're not drinking, you got to put them back on in between drinks.
Yeah.
So that's one of the rules I remember here for sure. But I'm excited. Maybe we'll get in. It's a little breezy right now, so maybe we'll get in because getting in is okay. Getting out might be the problem.
I may just do a little sunning. I'm gonna get a little sunshine.
Ooh, I like that.
Trying to work on my mask tan.
A little mask tan.
I gotta go, and it's freezing. Take it, baby.
The water is not as warm.
It's definitely not circle warm. Alright, I'm definitely not circle warm. It's a little cold.
It's freezing. I am not gonna last long in this one.
No. Where are the warm jets?
That's how cold it is, you guys. Right there.
Yeah, it's definitely a little bit warmer here. You gotta find the warm spots. You gotta find the warm spots. It's a little chilly. This is not the warmest of the heated pools here. I was telling you. You find a warm spot?
This is definitely not one of the warmer pools we've been in.
No. All right.
A little cold.
Should we go back to the sun?
A little cold.
Let's go back to that sun.
Back to the sun.
All right.
This pool today, it's a little on the cool side. It's a little bit breezy. I was expecting like a warm kind of bath feel, and no, not at all. So that was a lot of fun and a very quick experience here at the Aria Pool. We had so much fun. We hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us for this Vdara/Aria experience. If you made it this far, thank you so much. If you haven't done so already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get every time we post something new and exciting. As always, thanks for joining us, World Travelers, and we look forward to seeing y'all in Las Vegas.
Oh my, shivery.